The check engine light, officially called the malfunction indicator lamp or MEL, is your vehicle's way of alerting you to emissions related issues that could affect performance and environmental compliance. Modern vehicles from 2024 and 2025 use advanced onboard diagnostics systems, known as OBD2, which provide detailed error codes to help identify specific problems. Understanding the most common causes can help you identify potential issues. Let's examine the top 5 causes of check engine lights, starting with the most frequent. The most common cause, responsible for 25% of check engine lights, is a loose or faulty gas cap. This simple issue can trigger emissions codes because it affects the vehicle's vapor recovery system. Oxygen sensor failure accounts for 20% of check engine lights. These sensors monitor exhaust gases to help the engine maintain proper fuel mixture for optimal performance and emissions. Catalytic converter issues cause 15% of check engine lights. This critical component reduces harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. Mass airflow sensor problems account for 12% of cases. This sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, helping the computer calculate the correct fuel injection amount. Spark plug and ignition coil issues represent 10% of check engine lights. These components are essential for proper engine combustion and performance. While you can reset the check engine light without a scanner using several methods, it's crucial to understand that simply clearing the light without addressing the underlying problem can lead to serious engine damage and potential emissions violations. Now we'll walk through the specific methods you can use to reset your check engine light without needing a diagnostic scanner. The most common and reliable method is the battery disconnect technique. This method works by clearing the vehicle's computer memory. First, turn off your engine completely and remove the keys. Then disconnect the negative battery terminal using a wrench. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before reconnecting. Method 2 involves removing the engine computer fuse. This approach targets the specific fuse that controls the engine management system. Locate your vehicle's fuse box and find the ECM or PCM fuse. Remove this fuse for 15 minutes, then reinstall it and start your vehicle. The third method uses ignition cycling to reset the system. This technique works by cycling the vehicle's electrical system without starting the engine. Insert your key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Wait 3 seconds, then turn to off. Repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times before starting normally. Some vehicles have manufacturer-specific reset procedures. Toyota Prius models from 2020 to 2024 often use a power button and brake pedal combination sequence. Ford F-150 models from 2021 to 2024 may require a specific PCM reset through a particular ignition sequence, especially for software-related false codes. Important warning: if the check engine light returns after multiple reset attempts, or if you experience engine performance issues, seek professional diagnosis immediately.